Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Meet Coco, the curious cat who creates chaos every day. Coco is a small, fluffy cat. She has big green eyes. Coco lives in a quiet house with her owner, Anna. Coco is not an ordinary cat. She is very curious. Every day, Coco wants to touch, smell, and jump on everything. One morning, Anna is eating breakfast. She puts her toast on the table. Then she goes to get some tea. Coco jumps on the table. She sniffs the toast. Then Coco takes a big bite. Anna comes back. She sees Coco and says, "Coco, that's not for you." Coco looks at Anna and purrs like nothing happened. Later, Anna is working on her laptop. Coco jumps on the keyboard. "What did you do, Coco?" Anna asks. Coco meows and walks across the laptop again. Now the screen is upside down. In the afternoon, Coco sees a bird outside the window. She tries to catch it, but the window is closed. Coco hits the glass with her paw again and again. The bird flies away. Coco looks confused. She turns to Anna like, "Why didn't you open the window?" In the evening, Anna brings out her yarn for knitting. Coco's eyes shine with excitement. She jumps into the yarn and rolls around like a little ball. Soon, the room is full of string everywhere. Anna laughs and says, "Coco, you are a big mess." At night, Coco is tired. She climbs onto Anna's lap, closes her eyes, and purrs. Coco had a busy day full of trouble, fun, and love. Anna smiles and pets her. She says, "You're a silly cat, but I love you so much." Coco purrs louder. She is happy, very happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.